Hi, this is Sabrina Rich, and this is a quick tutorial on how to use forms to obtain information from students or parents or even your own colleagues. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're signed into your Google account and use the app launcher to get to the Drive. Once you're in Drive, you would need to click the Create icon. Click Create and then go to Form. Once you're in Form, you're going to notice some options. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to give this form a title. So let's say if it is called Students Survey, and the first question can be what is your name? Or we can start with last name. What is your last name? And that's going to be a text option, so we're going to choose text, and we want this is done, so we say done. Then we're going to add a second question, and you'll notice there's different types of question types. There's text, paragraph text, multiple choice, check boxes, choose from a list, scale, grid, date, and time. The next one I'm going to have them choose is a multiple choice. We'll do one more text option, text, and we'll do first name. So we have to make sure that we're first name, and that's going to be done. If I wanted to edit this first question, what is your last name? I just pick the pencil icon, and let's say I just want to do here last name, so I can get rid of all of that in front of it. So last name, I want to get rid of the question mark. Last name, first name, and then let's add a multiple choice question. What is your favorite subject in school? And let's have some options, multiple choice, and we can say history, science, math, ELA, and foreign language. And we'll say done, so they can choose that. And then let's add another item. What grade are you in? Or what is your current grade? And we'll have this one be a checkbox, so we can say 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and we can go on 9th and so on and say done. And so you'll keep adding your questions and your question types, and what we can now do is add a theme. So it says change theme. You're going to get some themes that are going to pop up here on the right hand side of your screen. So this says at the fair, so it looks like at the fair. Beach evening, and as you click on it you'll see that the theme will change. Obviously this has something to do with school, so perhaps we want to make it more school related, so I'll choose the one with the books, and you'll notice the theme will change the font style as well. So if it looks good to you, last name, first name, the questions look correct and everything is good, and you would want to share this out to those students, all you would need to do is click send form, and you'll notice there is a link to share. So you can either copy and paste this URL into an email address, or let's say you know the addresses that it's going to go to. You can type in the email addresses, and what I usually do is I'll select customize message and subject. So here it says custom message, please fill out the attached survey. And I usually uncheck the one that says include form in email. This way I want my users to select the hyperlink and the actual survey is not embedded. If you like it to be completely embedded, all you have to do is include it. And then click send. Once you send the form, the recipient will get an email, and I'll show you what that looks like. So you'll see I got the email. I click the hyperlink, and the student would fill in the fields and click submit. So I'm just going to actually do this one, and pretend I'm a 9th grader, and I hit submit. As students are submitting their responses, the responses will be in your form. So you go back to your student survey under edit this form. You'll notice view responses, and here's responses 1 has been recorded. I click view responses, and all the responses will be in an Excel format, in a spreadsheet format rather. And you can, manipulate these results and use the results as you wish. And that's the basics of how to create a form. Thank you for watching.